Mobile Breakfast Catering in New Zealand, 2020. In this video we'll cover 4 great meal options for mobile breakfast catering and what that pricing could look like. This video will take you through step by step what to plan for and lower the stress of organizing your event. Hi, it's William here from the Food Truck League. We help event organizers connect with mobile food vendors across New Zealand. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. All the links to everything we mentioned you can find in the video description box below. So, how much does a mobile vendor breakfast cost? And what types of breakfast meals are available? Let's jump into it. The cost of a small breakfast can start at $16 and a big breakfast can start at $28 per person. The portion depends on the amount of food needed, the ingredients, and the travel time to get there. Many of the trucks have specialty coffee machines, so if you want to have this as well as the meal, you may need to add $5 to $6 per head. These trucks also offer tea and other brewed coffee options at around $4 if that's what you're looking for. What type of breakfast menus are on offer? International favorites, pancakes, waffles, and crêpe. This type of meal is always substantial, but also suits those who like a bit of a sweet start to the day. Matching these combinations with excellent coffee will get everyone off to a good start. The style of food tends to take a little bit longer to bring out to the group, but it is definitely worth the wait. The hearty breakfast. Whenever we hear the word hearty, we assume that people want bacon and eggs. This can be as simple as egg and bacon sandwich or something larger like eggs, bacon, toast, tomatoes, and sausages. This meal style is designed to feed the engine for a physical day at work. Plant-based, dairy-free, and fruit smoothie options. Perhaps the people attending your event want to have a menu that is a different dietary choice. There are trucks that specialize in fresh fruit, vegetables, and grains to help power through the day. Asian and Mexican breakfast. What about starting the day with the Mexican huevos rancheros? This dish consists of fried eggs served with lightly fried corn or tortilla. Or you could go and try out the Vietnamese breakfast soup called pho. It consists of a broth, rice, noodles, herbs, and meat, usually beef, but sometimes chicken. I would start with this meal every day if the food truck was parked outside my house. Food trucks offer such a delicious variety of dishes and are so convenient most people forget that they can also do a great job for breakfast service. To find out more, contact the Food Truck League about your breakfast event and check out the links in the comments section below.